back to my channel. My name is Xoxo. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am super happy to have you guys here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple way to make your lips more luscious, more juicy, more full, more pouty, all that fun stuff in a few simple steps. Before going forward though, I do want to give a huge thank you because we are at 2,000 subscribers. I think we're actually a little bit more now, right now that I'm filming this video. I think the last time I checked we were at 2,038. So I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. I just really wanted to quickly say that. Now let's get right into it. So for starters, the first thing you want to do is obviously have nothing on your lips. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna be doing a little bit of an exfoliation just to get some of that dead skin off your lips, off the surface of your lips. You also want to, create that circulation, get that blood flow back into your lips as well, just so that they look more fuller, get that like natural pinky color to them again. And we're going to be using some brown sugar for that. So this is just natural old-fashioned brown sugar, and we're going to be that just went flying. And we're going to be using some shea butter. The one I have here is from the Body Shop. You could use coconut oil as well. Whatever natural moisturizer that you have that you want to mix with your brown sugar, you can use, but for this we're going to use shea butter. So you're just going to take a little bit of the butter into your hands and we're just going to melt it in there a little bit. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm also going to take a bit of the brown sugar. I'm going to use that mixed together. And as you can see, my lips suddenly look way more full. That blood flow circulated back into my lips, and so my lips are looking really nice and rosy now, and we were able to remove all that like dead skin. So it's a super easy way to just exfoliate your lips at home. No need to go out and buy an exfoliant for your lips. You could just easily mix these two ingredients together and your lips actually feel really soft. So I usually just like to moisturize, so I'm just gonna go in with some Vaseline. You can use the same shea butter or coconut oil that you use. You can use like a lip oil, whatever you'd like. I'm just gonna use Vaseline, and I like to put some Vaseline before I go in with my lip product. So once you have exfoliated, the next thing you're going to want to do is we're going to go in with a lip liner. The one I'm using here is from Morphe, and it is in the color Sweet Tea, I believe. Color. So Sweet Tea has like a very nice brown sort of mauve tone to it. It's very natural looking. Usually you want to go for a more brown tone, sort of neutral color, so that it matches the shade of your lips. So when I outline my lips, I like to start with my Cupid's bow area, so right here, and then I work my way down. I used to outline my lips starting with like the inner corners of my lips and move my way up, but it actually doesn't help to create that pouty look. So if you want the more pouty look, you should probably start from the Cupid's bow area and move your way down. Just purse your lips like this together. That way you can get a good idea of where your outline is. In this area here, you can go a little bit over your lip line, overline them a little bit. When you get closer to this area here, you're going to want to follow the line directly down. And then you're just gonna wanna fill in this area here in a crisscross direction like that. When you get to the lower lip, again, you want to follow the line of the side of your lip here, and then when you get to this middle area is when you can overline a little bit. Okay, so then next I like to go in with a nude lipstick. So this one's from MAC and it is in the color Yash. So it's just this sort of like nude color again. And then I use this color to fill in the middle section of my lip. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, but I'm not going to like swipe it on. I'm going to blotch it on. This just helps to create more of that fullness in your lip. For the last step, I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. So this one is from NYX. It's the Filler Instinct. So I'm using a plumping so I'm using a plumping lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss you want, but if you want to create that more full effect, I would always recommend a plumping lip gloss. So we're gonna go in with this one, and again, this one is like sort of like that golden brown color, so it sort of matches all the colors that we have going on right now. And I'm just gonna apply that in the center area. And it's going to tingle a little bit if you use a lip plumping lip gloss. I personally like that tingling sensation. I know that some people don't really like it. So if you are one of those people, you can, like I said, you can use a regular lip gloss. If not, I would definitely recommend a plumping one. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much but yeah, guys, that is all. It's super easy. You see how we went from having lips like this to more plumpy lips like this. Super easy, just a few quick steps. We definitely got our lips to look like we just went out and got some really expensive lip fillers, but really we didn't. We just did a few at-home steps, super quick and super simple. So if you guys enjoyed this, if you guys liked it, if you found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely appreciate it so much. And join the family, because we have a lot of fun here. There's a lot of great fun stuff that happens on this channel. So if you want to be a part of that, then please hit that subscription button down below. But anyhow guys, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.